Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing some brown stew chicken back. Yes guys, some brown stew chicken back, and I've already cleaned up my chicken back and I've washed it with some lime juice and vinegar. Okay guys, so I've cleaned it up nicely and washed it, and here I have all the seasoning. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some seasoning on it. I've got my garlic. Okay, so about 1 teaspoon of garlic. I've got my black pepper. Okay, that's 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I've also got here some washed and chopped onions. I've also got here some washed and chopped bell peppers. And I've also got here my carrots and Irish potatoes and 2 tomatoes, which is also washed and chopped, but I won't put the carrot and the Irish potatoes in as yet, but I'll just slice up my tomatoes and put it in there just now. And you want your tomatoes to be juicy as this, because when it's more juicy, you know it's ripe properly, and it's gonna give it a bit more flavor. Okay, so let's get this all chopped up. It's juicy, so my hands are getting a bit messy because it's so juicy, guys. I just wanted to show you. So after this, we're just going to rub it in. Before we do that, let's add some all-purpose seasoning. So that's 1 spoon, and then that's 2 spoons. Okay, so let's get our season rubbed in. After we've rubbed in the seasonings, we're gonna leave it to rest for about an hour so the seasoning can marinate. Okay guys, it's up to you. Now when I'm going to do my brown stew chicken back, I do not add oil. You can add 2 tablespoons of oil if you want to, but because I don't like cooking with oil, I don't like my food to be greasy, I don't like you know, adding oil, because I feel like the meat has its own natural oils already. We don't have to add any more. Yep, so it has its natural oils, so I don't like to add any more. So now we're going to add some browning. Okay, and that's about a tablespoon of browning. And let's rub this all in. Okay, and this is the same pot I will be cooking it in. Okay, so everything now, it's getting all its flavors. I'm gonna just leave it to marinate for an hour, and then we're gonna put it straight onto the fire. Okay, see you in an hour. So here we are. Now we're going to turn on the fire and look at the browning and the seasoning, guys. This is well marinated. Okay, so we're not going to put it on a high flame, we're just going to put it on medium, because remember, I am not frying it out or anything like that, because I'm not using oil. I'm just using the natural fat from the meat itself. Okay, so we're just going to cover this up now, and remember, not high flame, we need it on medium. So we cover it up and we leave it for about, say, 5 minutes or so. Then we come back and we stir it. Okay, guys? Guys, so look at all that liquid, and I did not put any water at all in there. And that's what the steam does. So I don't need to put oil, and I also don't put salt in my food, okay? Because of high blood pressure. The seasonings, like the all-purpose seasoning, the everyday seasoning, the chicken seasoning, the garlic powder, they all have lots of salt already. So I don't need to put any more salt. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to cover this up now. I'll turn up the flame just a little bit more than medium, and we're going to let it cook and simmer down for another 20 minutes, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients. So now, ooh, look at that steam. Now we're just going to add our carrots and potatoes, or Irish potato. Okay, let's add just a little tiny bit of boiling water. Okay, let's stir this up a bit. Right, so now we're going to let this cook for another 20 minutes. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, I'm just adding a little bit of tomato sauce. Okay, just a little bit of tomato sauce there. Okay, just to thicken the gravy, give it a little bit of touch to the flavor as well, and just adding a green Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, it's just to make it a bit of spice, not too hot. Okay, and we have it. So we'll give it another 10 minutes and we're good to go. Here we are, guys. So it's ready. Some plantains, and there we have it, guys. That's our brown stew chicken back, some mixed vegetables, white rice, and fried white plantains. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye for now. See you soon.